In this video, I'll show you how to load paper in your HP Envi 655e and many other models that are looking like this one here. So it's very easy. Take your stack of paper and we're gonna put our fingers right below. You're gonna feel there is a small gap. Simply pull towards you. It will open the input drawer. Now it depends. If you want to load photo paper that is 4x6, you can keep these blue guides together and simply slide your paper between them. If you're trying to load some letter size paper or A4 paper like I have here, you'll need to pull these blue guides on the side simply by pushing them. Take your stack of paper, make sure it's aligned, and glide it between the two blue guides until you reach the end. This printer takes up to A4 size paper. It does not take legal paper, which would be longer. Once you're done, simply push this back in place. Before printing, I suggest you extend this small tray. It's hidden. Okay, and then extend it once more because the paper will come here, and if you don't do this, the paper will fall on your table and get mixed up or will fall on the ground, and not many people want this to happen. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.